Hey buddy, welcome back to my
You
YouTube
never
channel.
gonna use it.
My name's Veronica. Today we're going to make fish pie in the slow cooker.
What's it called? Italian something?
Italian parsley.
Oh, Italian parsley, that's right. I always said Italian something. I can remember the part. Carrots. This is all done.
Gonna sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, just moved myself.
What's that shit?
Corn
Flour.
flour.
For the fish.
Yeah.
It'll make better.
Mm.
What the fuck was that?
Okay, I'll put this on. Then. Okay, I'm just going to do a handful. Might do a little bit more. Yep, there you go. Give this a stir. Now what we're just going to do is wait for the other two ingredients.
No. So you need 1 cup and a third of milk.
So
That's 1 cup.
I'll do 1 cup first.
Yeah. And a third.
And a third.
Yeah.
Oops. Sorry.
Have you had your dinner I made you?
Yes.
And the third.
Third, yes. You read it all. Yep.
Okay.
And
Done the milk.
okay.
How was it?
Good.
And then
How much cream? And 1 cup of cream cheese. So just add that.
sorry. I made boo boo. They slipped out of mine.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, so you just mix that all together.
Okay. Yeah.
Have you done it yet?
No.
Why not?
Let's stop it.
Okay. Mix it all together.
And I'll just put it on here.
No, you just mix it all together, then put it into the crock pot.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, going to get you that into the
Slow cooker.
slow cooker. Put it on low.
Put it on low. Yep, here. Push this thing.
The grill is on. Turn this off. Are we on? Yes. Okay, just move the breadcrumbs around a bit. Oh, it's going to be hot. There.
Just use my hands.
Okay. Now, is it hot?
No.
Okay, we'll put it under the grill.
Yep.
Okay, there we go.
Do. Oh, it looks yummy. Yeah.
What did you do? Put the fish pie in fish.
Thank you for watching my video how to make fish pie in a slow cooker. The recipe linked down the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification, more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. It's look yummy.